Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Capi at ang mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano po yung mensahe na ating pong makukuha para po kay Capi at sa kanyang person. Emotional intimacy. I'm afraid to truly open up to you. Being raw and authentic with my emotions is something I'm still working on. Okay. So, medyo kung gaba parang nag-a-adjust pa siya para masabi niya ng fully yung kanyang nararamdaman para sa'yo. Gusto niya maging authentic, no? And yung pagdating sa kanyang mga emotions. Pero hindi kasi ganun kadali. Not everybody have that ability to open up easily, especially pagdating sa kanilang emotions, no? I mean, hindi lahat is yung kung gaba parang they are medyo nagkakaroon ng second thoughts or they have this fear na baka pag nagsabi sila o what they feel, alam mo yun, hindi maintindihan, pagtawanan, lokohin. Maraming reasons so, kung bakit nag-hold on or you're not exposing or not telling your person or people what you feel. In a way kasi it's also a defense mechanism, no, to protect yourself emotionally. It could be that way, kaya ganun siya. Kaya kasi normally when you open up your emotions, you know, it is with that person that you truly trust. No, yung may tiwala ka talaga kasi alam mo na hindi paglalaroan ng tao na to yung emosyon. Hindi kanya pagtatawanan, hindi kanya lolokohin, hindi kanya yung maninipulahin, no? Will not manipulate you. O gagamitin yun para anihin ka. Alam mo yun, yung pasunod-sunurin ka. Kasi maraming bagay pagdating sa emotions. Talagang kailangan sigurado ka dito na itong tao na to is somebody na talagang the same, no? Mahal ka din. Mayroong respeto at may pagmamahal sa'yo. Kasi nga kung wala yun, talagang nakakatakot na mag-open up ng emotions mo, no? Especially, not everybody are very compassionate. Hindi lahat ng tao ay nakakaramdam ng damdamin ng ibang tao. Yes, we all have emotions, no? Lahat naman tayo eh. But to feel what that other person is feeling, hindi po lahat meron nun. No, I mean, I think iilan yung talagang masasabi natin na yes, they do understand. They empathize, no? Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Okay. So let us see ano yung lalabas sa tarot. Cards are flipping. Ito yung unang lumabas eh. So, we have Justice. We have the Two of Swords. We have the Six of Cups. The Seven of Wands. We have the Queen of Cups and the Eight of Cups. Sa other side, we have the King of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Six of Swords, the Seven of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, so copy. First card dito is Justice. Now, Justice could mean either you are already in a relationship or married or in a commitment, or patungo ko pa lang dito, you will be getting into a commitment. Okay. Or you are asking for like magkaroon ng hustisya yung relationship or something na if somebody did you wrong, may ginawang mali sa'yo, humingi ka ng hustisya. Okay? Now, before I continue, I just want to mention na in case, kasi I pull this card for you, copy. In case this doesn't resonate with you, please go to the other side. Take this kung ito yung mas nagre-resonate sa'yo. And vice versa to your person. Kasi some would ask or tell me, hindi naman tama yon because that is not me, but it's for my person. So, kung ano lang po yung nagre-resonate sa inyo, yun lang po i-take nyo. Okay? Ako is just a real representation lang po yun na I took this for Capricorn. But of course, kung yun, paano ko siya basahin, then kung sa tingin mo this is your person, then this is your person and this is yours. Okay? So, ganun lang po. Now, with the Two of Swords, you're trying to make a decision. Parang, these two cards, the Justice and the Two of Swords, is all about making that important decision. Okay? About a relationship, about a commitment, about a marriage. Okay? Six of Cups is all about somebody from your past. Funny enough, no? Six of Cups with you and the Six of Cups dito sa other side. So, pareho kayo may Six of Cups. Okay? So, sinasabi ko to kasi because I think both of you had something to do with the past. Okay? Past relationships. It could be itong person mo, copy, is somebody from your past. At ganun din itong person mo, you, Capricorn, is his or her person from the past. Okay? Yeah, kasi meron kayo parehong cards, no? Now, with the Seven of Wands, medyo protective ka dito sa person na to. No? This person from your past who came back, no? Bumalik siya para maging kayo ulit eh. That's basically the reason. Ba't pareho kayo meron? Kasi I think it is meant na magkita kayo muli ngayon in this lifetime. Or kung ito yung kababata mo, then now, parang you're given this opportunity to reunite again, magkita ulit, no? Now, with the Queen of Cups, there is love, no? Mahal nyo o mahal mo tong person na to. However, somebody walked away. Merong umalis. With the Eight of Cups. Kahit na sabihin nating mahal mo siya, pero may umalis eh. Somebody walked away. Now here, sa kabilang side, ito na yung King of Cups, no? Funny enough, talagang pair kayo. Kasi ito yung Queen, ito yung King. So, ano talaga kayo, mag-match kayo, no? Kung ba yung counterpart mo andito. So, there is love, no? Kung mahal ka niya, mahal mo rin siya. You love each other. This person from the past that returned, no? Mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Kaya kayo, kung ba nagbalikan, o nagkita muli. And with the Six of Swords, you wanted to pursue o go, kung ba parang you want to turn back and just move forward with this person to a place na talagang magiging matahimik kayong dalawa. Okay? Kung ba kasi siguro nga that's why andito yung card ng Seven of Wands is because nagiging overprotective kayo, no? And that is one way to protect it by moving to a much quieter place, no? Yung mas tahimik na lugar. Yung tipong walang manggugulo sa inyo. Kasi with the Seven of Swords, maraming maraming bagay na kailangang ilabas or something na kailangan malaman kasi may mga tinatago. No? This is a card of trying to hide something. Yung tipong kayo lang yung nakakaalam o yung parang meron kang nililihim. No? There's a secret. Kaya nga siguro you wanted a place to go that is peaceful na kayo lang kasi sikreto eh. Kung ba? May secret. With the Three of Pentacles, you want this relationship to work. No, maging maayos. Talagang mag-smooth. Yung maging smooth yung relationship. Ma-work out nyo mabuti. Magkasundo kayo. Because you find this person to be this new love. Yung panibagong pag-asa sa pag-ibig. Panibagong pag-umpisa muli sa pag-ibig. No, with this Six of Cups, itong person that came back from your past. You see this one to be yung bago mong pag-ibig. Okay? Kung ba parang let's start all over again. Now, let us see kung ano yung conclusion. We have the Page of Coins, the Eight of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Ang outcome niya is there will be a offer, no? A very, sabihin natin, initial offer. Something na ma-appreciate nyo pareho. And it would mean a lot of communication. No? With the Eight of Wands. Pag-uusap kayo, pag-uusapan nyo to. I think that offer is something to do with maybe kung ano na yung gagawin nyo sa future. Ano na yung plano. Kaya you need a lot of communication. You need to talk. kung ano nang gagawin nyo. And with the Knight of Swords, you want things to happen fast. Gusto mo maging mabilis yung outcome na to. Kung gaba hindi na kayo makapag-intay. Kung pwede nga bukas na mangyari lahat ito eh. Parang, I think you have been waiting for this to happen. And now it is happening. You want things really to turn fast. Ganon yung dating. Kasi nga, kung gaba pareho kayong matagal na nag-intay. Kasi, somebody from the past and somebody from the past bumalik. That loves you and that loves your person. Okay? Kaya kung gaba parang what's the reason of holding back? Kung pwede na tayo na, let's just do it. Parang ano pa mag-hold back sa ating dalawa? Hintay na tayo ng matagal na panahon. So let us see. Since your abundance, wow. Unlikely and success. Wow. Well, two of these cards is all about saying money coming in. Hindi lang abundance in money, but everything. Abundance could be, yung pagsasama nyo, magiging masagana. Magiging successful. Kung gaba talagang, kung titignan mo, kayong dalawa is meant to be. If there was a question, something to do with, maybe the answer is unlikely. Parang malabo, hindi mangyayari. Kung ano man yung tanong na yon. Okay? Kasi I think what the cards are saying here, itong tao na to is matagal na kayo pareho nag-intay na magkasama muli, na magkita muli at magsama muli. That's why, nung nagkita kayo, nakita talaga na yung paniniwala nyo na this is the start of a new beginning of love. And both of you know na mag-work out talaga yung relationship. Okay? If one of you is already in a relationship or engaged or married, kasi pinag-uusapan dito yung justice, then somebody walked away. Merong umalis sa relationship na to. Kung umalis man siya because I think na-realize niya na this is the person that he or she wanted to be with for the rest of his or her life. Kasi nga ito yung person from the past. No? Just as much as this other side is saying, this person is from my past. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi dito. And ang ano nga is, mag-uusap kayo, you will be making that very important discussion because I think you both have realized that this is the time to be together. Kaya kailangan yung mag-usap kung ano yung plano, what are you going to do, because you wanted na not anymore to be in hiding, no? Hindi na magtago. Hindi na itago itong relationship na to. Huwag na itago. Let it be open. Kung gaba, parang paalam na lang natin na tayong dalawa. Okay? Tayong dalawa na. And it's okay. Kasi you felt that this person is the one. Kasi nga, nararamdaman mo na you will be successful with this. No? Ayan, no? You will be successful with this and abundant. If it's something to do kung unlikely na Mag-ahabol pa ba tong person mo? Kung ikaw yung the one married, unlikely. Yun yung mga tanong, no? Kung naghiwalay na, umalis na siya, babalik pa ba siya? Unlikely. That could be also one question. Okay? So, kung kanino mang Capricorn itong nakuha nating energy sa pagbasa na to, sana nakatulong ito sa ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.